Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to enable equation editor in Microsoft Word. Now let's get started.
If the equation editor is disabled in your Word document and you see the message "this command is currently disabled," it usually means the file was created in an older version of Microsoft Word. So first, open the Word document where the equation editor isn't working. Now go up to the Insert tab and click on Equation. If it's grayed out or you see that warning message, that's our clue. In most cases, this happens because the document was created in an older version of Word and it's currently running in something called Compatibility Mode. To fix this, go up to the File tab and click on Info. Here you'll see Compatibility Mode mentioned. That confirms the issue. Now in this tab, click on Convert. A message will pop up letting you know the document will be upgraded to the latest format. Now go ahead and click OK. Give it a second, and once it's done, compatibility mode will be gone. Now go back to the Insert tab and click on Equation again. And just like that, it's now enabled and ready to use. And that's it. So anytime the equation editor is disabled, just remember to convert the document out of compatibility mode. Simple fix, but super useful.